Welcome to the second game of the USMSHL. We are here at Ford Arena for the showdown between the Mississippi Bears, captained by Emmett Ford, and the Minnesota Thunderstorm, captained by Will Ford. It's a showdown outside, way outside of Motown between the Ford brothers. We're set to drop the ball and get right to action.
Will Ford starts with the ball. Starts presenting with the ball. Shot and a goal. Will Ford. Emmett Ford with possession of the ball now.
No, you can't go everywhere.
Was that a goal? No. Emmett Ford still has possession. Shot. Hits the post. Will Ford. Ford at the ball. Shot. And a goal by Will Ford. Will Ford with a nice move. Back in his own zone. Going in front of his net. Going for a move. Still has it. Shoots and scores. Will Ford 3-0. The Thunderstorms. Mississippi, the shot. Mississippi now has the ball in their own zone. Ford. Mississippi shot and a goal. Shot. Ooh, just missed. Ford coming in. Will Ford. Emmett, shot, saved by Will. Battling in the corner. Will saves that one. Shot. Oh, what a save by Will Ford. Shot and a goal. Will Ford.
4-2.
Shot and a goal.
3-4.
4-3 game. Ford shot and a goal. 5-3 game. Thunderstorms. Will Ford shot misses. Will Ford backing into his own zone. Emmett Ford with the shot. Will Ford in his own zone here. In the corner of his own zone. Emmett Ford loses his stick. Will has it still. Oh, banks it off the wall. Ooh, could not drive it to net. Shot and a goal by Will Ford. Just barely went in. Oh, and a save shot by Will Ford. Will Ford only needs one more goal.
It's 6-3.
6-3. The Thunderstorms. Will Ford. Will Ford between Emmett Ford's legs. Shot. Ooh, misses the net there.
6-3.
Will Ford with coming in. Tries to go for the nasty move. Does not get that one. Block shot. Oh, there it is. Oh, and it's a 4-6 game. Thunderstorms have it in their own zone. Oh, tries to go for the nasty move. Does not get it. Oh, tries to go between both legs. Does not get that one.
Yeah.
Shot. Oh, block shot. Shot. Oh, off the post.
I said.
Shot and a goal. That's game.
That's a
The
good game.
Minnesota Thunderstorms win
Emmett.
game 2.
Game.
What a bounce off the post into the other net.